Everyone, welcome to channel Qtomation. In today's session we will see about uploading file scenario using Playwright. So in test automation sometimes we have to upload some file in specific field on the websites. So we have to select upload file button, then we have to select the files which we want to upload, and then that file will be uploaded on that specific website. We can upload single files or we can upload multiple files as well. In Playwright, for uploading file scenarios, we don't have to interact with system elements. So Windows elements, or let's say Windows pop-up which opens, we don't have to deal with them. We can directly upload the files by using set input files method of Playwright. So let me show you one simple example practically. Then we will understand how we can handle file uploads, single file upload, multiple file upload, and also removals of file uploaded. So everything can be done by using set input files method in Playwright. So I will show you one sample website. So this is the website which I will open. After opening this website, if you see, there is a browse button. Once you click on this browse button, we can select a file which we want to upload. So now this scenario we will use by using set input files method. So now I will show you practically. First we will see about single file upload. First I will show you about single file upload by using set input files method. We don't have to deal with the pop-up which opens after clicking on this browse button. In other automation tools, we have to use third-party libraries like Sikuli etc. to interact with such Windows pop-up. But in Playwright, we don't have to deal with those situations. We can directly use set input files method, in which we can pass file path, and that file will be uploaded to this specific website. So let's see practically. Let's create a new file. I am naming it as file upload demo.spec.js. So we have created one file. After creating this file, let's add a basic syntax. So this is test and expect functions which we are importing from Playwright test module. This is our test block. I am just naming it as single file upload demo. This is the title of our test case. Then you have to open the page, web page which we want to open. So I will just copy this web page URL and let's paste it here. So it will launch the web page, it will open this URL. After opening this URL, now what we will do? So once this web page is opened, I want to click on this browse button. I have to click on this browse button. So before that, what I will do, in my test folder, if you see, in my project folder, I have created one folder that is called as a test_data. And in this folder test_data, I have uploaded two files. I have put two files in this test_data folder. And these files I will use to upload in those fields. These files I will use to upload in those two fields, in those file upload button. You can use any file, not necessarily you have to use the file which is present in your project folder. You just have to give the path of that file. You can give any path, whatever location at which the file is present, we can provide that path and we can upload that file. But for that, what we have to do is, we have to first, it will launch the web page. Then I will simply use await page.locator. Inside this, I will first locate that browse button. So first we have to locate this browse button. So let me inspect it. And let's find out some locator for this browse button. So if you see now, I'm just inspecting this button. It has ID, that is files to upload. I can directly use this ID as well. So it will highlight that specific button. I'm just copying that XPath, not XPath but ID. So this is the locator of that browse button. Await page.locator and ID which I am passing here. And after that we have to use one single method, that is set input files. And in this set input files we have to pass path of the file which we want to upload. So you can put the path of the file at which location it is in your system. But we can put those files in our normal project folder as well. So I have created a new folder, that is test_data inside my test folder, and then I have copy pasted two files from my system to this folder. And then I will upload this first image. So this is the first image file which I want to upload to that website. So I have to copy the path. So I am just copying its relative path, and that path I have to provide here. I'm just providing the path of that specific file which I want to upload. So this is the path of that file. That's it. After that, I am adding some timeout. Await page dot wait for timeout, and inside that I am adding 5 seconds timeout. So it should launch the website. It will click on that button and it will upload these files. It will upload this file to that specific field. So let's save this file and let's execute this file. What is the file name? File name is file upload underscore demo dot spec.js. So now it should launch the website and it will upload this agent image1.jpg file on that website. So it is starting the test case now. It is launching the website. And if you see agent image1.jpg, this file is uploaded here. This file got uploaded and our test case got passed. So let me add some extra timeout so that we can see one more time. So let me execute this file one more time. So it will launch the test case now. It is launching the test case. It is opening the website, and after opening this website, it will immediately upload the file. If you see agent image1.jpg. Before uploading the file, it was showing no image was selected. But after uploading, it is showing you the name of the file. If you see, when we have not uploaded any file, it will show you no file selected. But after uploading the file, it will show you the file name here. Now, we have seen for single file. So we have successfully uploaded a single file now. Now I will show you one more example of uploading multiple files. So how we can upload a multiple files. Multiple files upload demo. I will use test.only so that only this test file will be executed and this will not execute. Only this test case will be executed now. That's why I have used test.only for multiple files upload demo. I will again open the same website. The only change we have to make is when we have to upload a single file, we have provided a single file path here. But when we have to upload a multiple files, what we have to do is we have to use array, or you can say a list. So in square brackets, we can provide multiple files, multiple file path. So which two file path I have to provide now? So if you see in our project, we have two files present. In test data folder, I have already placed agent image1.jpg, agent image2.png. So these are two different files which I have in my test underscore data folder. So I have to just copy the path for those files, copy relative path. After copying that path, I have to pass those path here. So I am just pasting it. So this is the first file path I have passed in that specific array. You can put like below also, page.locator set input files. This is the first file path. Then you have to provide the comma. And after providing the comma, we can add second file path as well. So what is the file path of this second one? I am just copying the path and let's paste it here. So this is file path for second image. So whenever we have to upload single file, we can directly pass the path of the file in set input files method. But when we have to upload multiple files, we have to use array. And in array, we have passed first file path, second file path. You can pass n number of file path. So it will upload both these file to that specific upload field. Then we are waiting for 10 seconds. Let's save this file. And let's execute this file now. Now it should upload two files instead of one file. So this test.only, that means only multiple files upload demo will be executed. And it will upload two files on that website. It is launching the test case now. And after opening this web page, if you see agent image1.jpg, agent image2.png. So both the files got uploaded. Both the files got uploaded now. And our test case got passed. So now what we will do, when we click on this, and when we are uploading these two files, we can put some validation as well. So after uploading these two files, if you see, we can verify whether these file names are present or not. For that, we have to identify locator first. So let's identify. So if you see, it is present inside li, which is present inside the ul tag, and we have id, file list. So control F. Let's try to write an XPath. ul is a tag name. @id equals to, what is the id which we can see? File list. So I'm just copying that id and let's put it in this XPath. So if you see, it is highlighting both the file names, and then inside the ul tag we have li tag. So first file name is present here and second one is here. So I will just use -li. If you see now, this XPath is identifying both the elements, both the file names. But I want to identify individually. So first one, so I am passing the first index here. So it is highlighting the first one. If you put 2, it will highlight the second one. So I want to identify whether both these image names are present or not after uploading the file. So I will copy this one. Let's go to our code. I will reduce the timeout by 5 seconds. After that, we can put the validation. So what I will do, I will simply use expect inside that await page.locator in which we can pass that locator. So it will identify the first image name after uploading, and then we can use dot to have text method. What text it should have? So I'm just copying this text, that is agent image1.jpg. I'm passing it here, and similarly for second one as well I can put some validation. So for agent image2.png also, agent image2.png, and that is present where we have to change the index from li1 to li2 so that it will validate this second image name. If you put 2 here in this XPath, if you see in this XPath, if you put 2, it will highlight the second image upload. So this is the image file which uploaded as a second image. So we are verifying whether this image name is present or not. So that is the second validation we have put. So let's save this file and let's execute this multiple files upload demo one more time. So now it will completely upload those 2 files first, and then it will verify whether agent image1.jpg and agent image2.png files are present or not after uploading. So it will correctly verify that part as well. So it is starting the test case now. So it is opening the page. It has uploaded the files and it will verify now. It will put the validation also. And our test case got passed. If you see, test case got passed. So we have seen how to upload a single file. We have also seen how to upload a multiple files. Now we will see how to remove the files. For example, I want to remove the files which I have uploaded. I want to remove the files. So for that again we can use the same method, that is set input files, but we have to pass blank array. So now we will see removal of uploaded files. We are now going to see how to remove the uploaded files. So we have to simply use await page.locator. Same locator we have to pass. This is the locator of that browse button. So that locator we have to pass here. That locator we have to pass, and then we have to use dot set input files method again, and in this we have to pass blank array. So once you pass this blank array, it will remove those uploaded files, and then once the files got removed, then what you will see, for example, if I refresh this page, the files which are uploaded will be removed. So what we have to do now is we have to verify whether this text is present or not. No file selected should be present now. So let's identify the locator. ID equals to file list, and it is present in first li only. If you put li1, it will identify that text. So let's copy this XPath and let's use expect function. Expect page.locator. In this I am passing that XPath, and it should have which text? To have text. Which text it should have? Once files which are uploaded are removed, it should show no file selected will be shown. So I am just verifying that part here. After verifying this part, again let's add some timeout. This timeout is not needed in actual test case, right? So we are just adding it so that it will be visible to us. Otherwise it will happen very fast. So this is the test case which we have completed now. So what this test case will do step by step. So first it will open this website. Then it will upload these 2 images, agent1.jpg, agent2.png. Then it will verify whether that agent1.jpg and agent2.png file names are present or not after uploading. Then it will remove those uploaded files, and it will check whether no file selected is present or not. And then after 5 seconds, it will close the browser. So it will cover all the scenarios, file upload, file removal as well. So let's execute this file one more time now. So after executing this file, now it will open the website, it will upload the files, it will remove the files. And it will also verify after uploading file names are present or not, and after removing no file selected is present or not. So all the validation should be covered. If you see, files got uploaded. Now immediately files will be removed as well. If you see now, automatically files got removed and no file selected is displayed. And our test case got passed now. If you see, test case got passed. Let's execute one more time so that we can see one more time. So let's execute this test case one more time. So it will launch the browser. It is starting the test case now. After starting the test case, it will open the browser, it will open that web page, it will upload 2 files. If you see now, 2 files are uploaded. Now it will remove those 2 files as well, and files got removed. And then it will verify this text is present or not, and our test case got passed. So let's revise. This is how we can work with file upload and remove by using Playwright. So we can handle single file upload by using set input files method, in which we have to pass this locator of files to upload, and then we can set input files method and we can pass the file path here. After that, we can also control multiple files upload. We can set input files, and in which we can pass the array. In this array, we can pass the path of files which we want to send, which we want to upload. We have also seen how to remove the files. We have to use blank array. So in set input files method, if you pass the blank array, it will remove the uploaded files. So we have also seen this example, right? So we have also seen this example. So thank you for watching this video. In coming session, we will see some more topics of Playwright.